So welcome students. In this question you're given that the direction cosines of two lines are related by the relation L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and L square is equal to M square plus N square. You're asked to find the angle between those two lines. So if these two conditions are valid, so what should be the values of L, M and N? So from the first condition, L can be written as minus of M plus N. L can be written as minus of M plus N. And if I substitute the value of L here, L square is M plus N whole square is equal to M square plus N square. This implies Mn is equal to 0, right? M square and N square are getting cancelled. Mn is equal to 0. That means either M is equal to 0 or N is equal to 0. So these are the two options that you have. So if you take the line 1 and line 2, so for the line 1, I take M is equal to 0. And for the line 2, I take N is equal to 0. So if M is equal to 0, so the value of L should be of exactly opposite sign of N. So these two should be the opposites of one another. So because these are DRs, L square plus M square plus N square has to be equal to 1. So this will be 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, right? Because 1 minus 1 are the DCs. So if you want 1 minus 1 are the DRs, if you want DCs, you have to divide by root 2. Similarly here also, N is equal to 0. So L plus M has to be equal to 0. The DRs are 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. Those are the DCs of the line. So these are the two lines whose DRs satisfy this relation. Now, if that is so, what is the angle between these two lines? Cos theta is equal to vector dot this vector, right? So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. 0 plus 0 by 1 into 1. This implies theta is equal to 60 degrees. Pi by 3 is the answer. Thank you.